Hey students, in the previous video we have discussed about the HTML form, okay, and we are already discussed that what are the controls we are used for a form, right? Now we are going through one of the example of a form, that is registration form. Everyone are well know about the form, and many times we are discussed about, many times we see about that form in a different places on the internet, or when you're filling the ID or a login form, everything, right? Here I'm giving one small example about a form having so many controls and buttons. Clear? Come to the first point. This is the registration form, okay, and the whole portion, this portion is is written inside a body. Clear? The registration form is a heading, or we are using that H1 H2 up to H6 for this, right? There is a line there is a line with the registration form, okay. That line is the tag is used for the line is underline, or we can say U tag for underline, okay. And next is the name. The name is simple a text I'm using here, nothing or that. Clear? And here you're showing some boxes and some circles, rectangles, everything are right. The first, these are the lines, or these are the boxes mainly used for the text box, or we can say that these are the single line controls, okay. Whenever we are using the box, just we have to write first. Input is a tag, I'm already explained in the last video. Here it is written the name, just I'm written the name here, okay. Afterwards input, here the type is a attribute of input, which is mainly used for the type of control or type of box, okay. As I'm saying here, this is the single line control, mainly this is a text box, we can say. Just you have to put the name of the box, that is text here. Clear? By this it shows that this is a box of text field, that means a single line entry. Here you can give the size, we can use the attribute, that is size. It shows the size of the box and also max length or maximum length here. Here you can put the size. By this it shows the size of the text box. Clear? The same way for the class also we can design. Clear? And in the similar way we can use the password field for by using the text box. Clear? And that time you have to just hidden the text, okay, and where you use the type equal to password, and the size also same, and everything will same here. Just you have to use the type equal to password, that means it taken the password field as a star or a dot or something. Clear? Now come to the next topic, the next section, that is the section. Here you're just watching, there are three controls, okay, or we can say they are the circles. Mainly these circles are known as the radio button, or we can say these are the buttons are called the radio button. What are the main importance of radio button? The radio button is used for a single selection. That means at a time you can choose only one section, okay. As you are in a students of any class, so you can't sit in both the section, you are not registered for so many sections at a time. That means you just select one section for that, right? So here whenever you click on A, that means you can't go through a B and C. And again next is subject, okay. Here I'm using three buttons like the radio button, but in the radio button we are using the circles, but here we are using the squares. These are called checkbox. Understand? These square boxes are called check boxes. They same like a radio button only, but the difference is the radio buttons are used for the single selections. That means whenever you select in a one button or one option, the other are not working. Clear? But here in the check box we can select multiple options at a time. That means the check box offer give priority to the user to select more than one option at a time. You can select all the options at a time. Okay, but the rest of the things same. Here we are written for a radio button like section, input type equal to radio, name equal to R1. I'm taking as a simple name, that is the R1 here. Okay, this is used in the background, but mainly this is the type is radio. That means it converted into a radio button. Okay, and afterwards see here where we have to write the A. After completing the bracket you have to put A. Clear? On the same way you have to write for B also, input type equal to radio and name equal to R1 only. Okay, and B. Why I'm using R1 here? Because these whole are in a radio button package. Okay, because just all affected one another. That means when I already told that when I'm selecting one option, the two are not working, not available for other options, right? So same way we have to put the radio button package for the whole the options. So here the every name, whenever I am using the attribute name, I have to put a option of name only R1. Just I am taking example of R1. You can write any name in place of R1. Clear? The next is for the checkbox. What I have to write? First I have write the subject. Okay, next here I have to write input type equal to check, type equal to checkbox. Clear? And name equal to C1. I'm just taking one example, C1, and afterwards computer application. Clear? And same you have to write for the check and write for the IT and for the AI also, but this time we can select one option, but whenever you written for the checkbox it's converted into the squares and you can select multiple options at a time. Okay, the next is comment. Okay, see here I am saying that we are using a single line field, okay, or single line control, but see that box is somewhat larger than the previous one, right? Here we can say this is not a text box, it is a text area. That means we can say it is a combination of some text boxes, or it can be enlarged by providing some row number and by the column number. Okay, and here I'm not using, in the whole I'm using the tag, that is the input, right? For everywhere we are using the input tag. Clear? But here for the text area I'm not using a input tag. Here there is a tag named text area. Students, don't confuse about the capital letter and the small letter, because HTML is not case sensitive. Clear? The text area is a tag used for a larger text box or a text area providing a large text. Here I am giving some row and some columns, that is showing the row number and column number, and also I am using a wrap attribute for not showing the lines here. These are the